Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your dome light. This is your dome light. It's in the middle of the vehicle and it comes on when you open up the doors generally, or you can hit the button to turn it on. So to start with, you're going to take your small screwdriver and you're just going to pry from the side that goes close to the door, and you do that on both sides, and then you'll be able to just pull this light out. You may need to use a little bit of leverage and be able to remove this light to be able to replace it. This light here is a 12854 light, and so that's what you'll get to replace. It's 12854. And then you'll just take it, press it into the clips there, and you double check that it works before you put the cover on. And then we put the cover into the middle and then just snap that into place. And that's how you'd replace your dome light on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.